Welcome to today's video about Claude Certified Developer, Foundations, CCDV-F, Exam Prep. Introduction of Claude Certified Developer, Foundations, CCDV-F. Who should take the CCDV-F exam? Recommended experience for CCDV-F certification. Key details for the CCDV-F certification process. CCDV-F exam domains and knowledge areas. Best study tips for Claude Certified Developer, Foundations, CCDV-F exam. 1. A developer is building a customer support application using Claude API. The application needs to display Claude responses to users as soon as generated instead of waiting for the complete response. Which Claude API capability should the developer use? A. Batch API processing. B. Streaming responses. C. Prompt caching. D. Model version pinning. 2. A company processes thousands of document summaries every night and does not require immediate results. Which approach provides better efficiency? A. Batch API processing. B. Real-time API requests for every document. C. Increasing context window size. D. Using multiple prompt instructions. 3. A Claude application repeatedly sends the same large system instructions with every request. Which technique can reduce repeated token costs? A. Disable context management. B. Increasing temperature. C. Prompt caching. D. Removing output validation. 4. A business process follows a fixed sequence. Validate customer information, calculate pricing, and generate a report. Which architecture approach is more appropriate? A. Autonomous agent. B. Fixed workflow. C. Multi-agent supervisor system. D. Unrestricted tool loop. 5. An AI agent needs to retrieve customer information from an external CRM system. What capability should be implemented? A. Custom tool integration. B. Increasing model temperature. C. Reducing context size. D. Removing API authentication. 6. A long-running Claude agent becomes less accurate because previous conversation information is no longer relevant. What technique can improve performance? A. Add all previous messages permanently. B. Context pruning and summarization. C. Increase random sampling. D. Remove system instructions. 7. A developer wants Claude applications to access standardized external resources and tools. What technology should be used? A. Static HTML page. B. Browser cache. C. Local environment variable. D. MCP server. 8. A Claude agent can execute actions that modify production systems. Which security practice should be applied? A. Allow unrestricted tool execution. B. Remove authentication. C. Implement approval controls and guardrails. D. Store API keys in source code. 9. A developer is deploying a Claude-powered application to production. Which practice follows security best practices? A. Store API keys directly in application code. B. Share API keys among developers. C. Use secure secret management solutions. D. Include credentials in public repositories. 10. A developer notices that Claude returns unexpected responses. The API integration works correctly, but the generated output is incorrect. What should the developer investigate first? A. Model output behavior and prompt design. B. Network cables. C. Database storage capacity. D. User interface colors. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PassCert for more IT exam prep.